Parkside families and friends. I'd like to welcome you to our very first virtual homeschool assembly. Each Monday, your teachers will post a link to the school assembly on their blog, and you can access it whenever is best for you. Each assembly will have a theme, and this week our theme is Colour our Community with Kindness. What does kindness mean? Helpful or unhelpful? Which shows kindness? Being helpful, of course. Can you imagine what it would be like if everyone was unhelpful? Teachers would find it difficult to teach, and you and your friends might argue. People around you may struggle without your help. Honest or dishonest? Honest, of course. Being dishonest can cause many problems and can lead to people falling out or someone getting into trouble for something they didn't do. Being honest is definitely the best policy, and adults always prefer you to be honest, as that means you can be trusted. Selfish or sharing? Being selfish describes people who think about themselves all the time rather than thinking about others and how they feel. Sharing is the opposite. You might share your toys with your brother or sister, or offer to wash the dishes after dinner even though you may not really want to. But these are the kind things to do. Patient or impatient? Well, impatient means we wait our turn and try not to rush other people. Sometimes it takes people longer than others to grasp new ideas or to complete an activity. Communities are kinder and happier places when everyone is patient. Joyful or miserable? Joyful, of course. Who doesn't love a smile? And laughter is good for you. A smile can speak 1,000 words. When we share acts of kindness, we colour our world. At the moment, our world is very different to the one we knew 3 months ago. But during lockdown, human kindness has shone through. Volunteers have delivered food parcels to those in need or vulnerable during this time. Socially distanced visits to those we love and hold dear have made such a difference. The Rainbow Trail. Rainbows started to appear in windows across the land, offering members of the public a message of hope. And who can forget that each Thursday at 8 p.m. for 10 weeks we all came together as one to clap for our carers. To end my assembly today, I'd like to introduce you to Max, who is a Year 6 pupil from Benton Park. He's done a very kind thing indeed. During lockdown, he's been really busy creating digital rainbows for schools and organisations across the UK. If you'd like to look at his work, simply visit the Benton Park Twitter feed or visit Team Rainbow. I'll leave you now with an image of a rainbow that Max created just for us.